So if you've got a lazy pull cord on your Honda powered lawnmower that doesn't want to retract all the way, I'll show you guys how to fix it. 10 millimeter. Let's pull it up and off. So pull the cord out, line this up as best you can, about right there. Grab something to stick through here. And then what we're going to do is just pull the cord out, either replace the cord or undo the knot. And done. So thumb here, we're just going to rotate this around. Doesn't look like we can anymore. So we're going to just let it go. This likely needs to be lubed up inside, so we're going to take a look at everything. Sometimes if somebody's been in this before, you can just loosen this up just a bit. It is reverse thread. But we're going to pull this apart and inspect it. Could just be that there's a lot of dirt, grit, debris in here. There is a trick to undoing these. Both of these, they're called dogs, but you just want to be careful and not undo this spring. So you can see it's all dirty. We're going to clean this up. So with these springs, you just want to be really careful. Kind of grab them right here. Pull the spring out. Rewind this. But you can see how dirty this is. We're just going to clean this out, as well as clean up the outer windings of the spring. Got some purple power going, cleaning up the spring and the bottom part of the recoil with the dogs in it. That water was clean, obviously. Let it cook for a little bit longer. Just wound the spring back up. Put it on. You can already tell there's a big difference. Opening is right here, so we're just going to rotate this around about 5 times.